is this? Oh my goodness. What is it, Tyler? It's a Play-Doh again. Hi, everyone. It's Play-Doh kitchen creation. Oh, it looks like a pizza. Okay, let's see. Let's open it. See if we can even open it. Yeah, they always tape it down so good. Uh-oh, hold on, hold on. We got this. Can you hold that? We have this. Oh, we're going to get it all out, then we'll see. Oh, what are those? Uh-oh. Hey. Yes, sir, look. All right. May I see those? Thank you. It's 5 of them white. I think it looks like a tan, yellow, green, and orangish pink. I guess for the pepperoni. Okay, and then I'm gonna set those off to the side. Then we're gonna grab this up. Oh! I got a tube. I guess this tube is to roll it out. This right here is a pizza. Hold on, Mr. McGoney. We got a pizza thing. Oh yeah, rolling it out? Are you gonna roll it out? Dude, would you like to roll the dough out, sir? These right here, let's see what these are. What are these? Oh, this is just our table, I think. Yeah, I think this is just our table. So we're gonna put the table out, right? Hey, put that on. No, muchacho. Muchacho. We're gonna make something? What are we gonna make? He's an eating boy. White. Brown. Yellow. Don't break it. Mr. Machaner. Yo, bro, aggression. It's okay. We're gonna get to it. I'm trying. Green. Yellow. Go. Yes, sir. You know what? Oh, my ear. Okay. Hello. Okay, we're going to put some through here. What do you want to put through here? Well, which one do we put through? We probably put the yellows through, wouldn't you think? Watch. Watch. Yes, sir. Here we go. Hold on, I'm trying. Oh, man. The Play-Doh is stuck in there like a champ. Oh, here it is. Watch this. Oh, yeah. You want to roll some? Roll it. Get them doggies rolling, roll high, like this. Yeah. While you roll it, we'll pack this in here. Watch. Alright, Tyler, now push down. Push down. Look right here. Push. Look. Watch this. Whoa, where's the plate? We gotta put our spaghetti on it. We got our knife. Always cut away from you. It's a good life lesson. Alright, we're gonna take the spaghetti and we're gonna put it on the plate, right? Is that enough spaghetti? You gonna put the yellow back in here? Or you wanna make some more? You wanna make some more spaghetti? Take off the excess, right? Okay. Alright. I know, right? It's some good sticky stuff. Okay, you gonna put some in there? Our onion's gonna be yellow. Alright. We'll take the knife, run it across the top. Hold on. Oh, alright. Put it on there, it's fine. Yellow back in there. Then, what kind of spaghetti are we gonna make? Are we gonna make some, we need some pink. What do we need pink for? I guess it's kind of a red. Malleable. You don't want your shirt on? Malleable. Aye? Okay, what do you want in there? Which one you want? In the bacon one? Oh, and Want me to, how about we put it in the tomato? Where are the tomatoes? Good job. Thank you. I don't know how you knew where the tomato was. Hey, you want to put some in there? You don't, baby. You don't need that much, booger boy. Alright, look, you just take a little bit. You're going to put it in all of them. Every single thing that we're going to eat today is going to be pink and yellow. Okay. Oh, hello. I'm on the knife phone right now. Oh, does that fit through there? Holy capoly. Guacamole. Huh? Ooh. Alright. Nicely done, Father. Ooh. Look at that.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm gonna make you some pizza dough.
Oh, Mom's gonna roll the dough out. Look, made some bacon. Oh, hold on, man.
Here we go. We can
Alright.
roll the dough.
Hold on, Brosa. Roll
Let's
the dough.
roll it. Let's roll it into a pizza. There you go.
You're not gonna help Mother roll it?
Whoa.
Wow. You gonna cut it?
Oh.
Cut it like a pizza.
You want to try rolling? Oh, it's stuck.
Oh man, maybe this is a bad life decision on the table. It's alright though. Oh, look at all that we made.
You can just push it down in there.
Push it down in
Look,
the
you can put
tray.
your toppings on it.
Broseph, you gotta make a better pizza than that, Tyler. It's gotta be better. You're gonna destroy the toppings I just made for you, sir?
Yes, he is.
Sweet. Oh, open the yellow, please. The yellow's gonna mix with the red. Okay, don't mix it all. I'm trying to make something, my friend.
Here you go.
You don't want it? Alright, we need a little... You know what else that could be? I thought that was pasta. That's not pasta. You know what that is?
Cheese.
Cheese. So the white has to go through it. Unless you want a wheat pasta. Probably more healthy. Yeah.
Definitely a better option that's probably not noticeable.
Sir, may I see that, please? Thank you. Alright, good, good. Ready? Whoa. Got it? Oh, yeah. Thank you. Very good job. Alright, could you roll that out, please? Thank you, sir. You're very, very helpful. I love you so much. You're so helpful. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, hold on. Hi, baby. Daddy's gonna make some cheese. Some mozzarella. This looks like a mozzarella. Malleable. Malleable.
It could be soft.
Malleable.
It could be soft. It
Malleable.
Could be squishy.
Malleable. Malleable.
I mean, I guess they could both be cheese. Oh, they do have spaghetti on the box.
They do, see? I know I wasn't crazy. Oh, it could be a feta cheese. And it could be like a crazy feta. I guess we could do it like that, right?
And it has a cute little pizza box that you could put your pizza in after you're done making it.
Pizza. Oh, hold on, muchacho. I'll make a cool pizza. Don't you know? It's just like real life with feta cheese.
Me.
Yeah? Me? You need help? Yeah, you need help? Say not as much help as you, Father. I understand. Malleable. Good job. Wowzer. Dada's gonna make pizza. Did his toppings get destroyed?
Some of them.
Oh man, all the other ones got destroyed. Tyler mashed them up. It's very okay though. We could do a 3-cheese Mexican blend. Do a Mexican style pizza. Put some mozzarella.
Oh, there you go.
Good rolling, Mukami.
Here, just.
Ooh.
Look at it. Slide.
Oh. Okay. Now we're going to the crazy table, huh? Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Is this your table, dude? Oh, smashing it out, huh? Very good job, very good job. That was a great job. What else is on here that we haven't made? I need something that I can
There's
make that's white.
onions and shrimp and peppers.
Uh-oh.
Let's see.
Is that shrimp that I made?
Yeah, onions are white.
Yes, they are. I also have a yellow onion that I made. So what you do is you try to get it all in one piece like that. Then you can peel off the excess around it. It's kind of like cutting cookies. Look, yellow onion. Hold on please.
Yeah, I want to make a really cool pepper.
Making a cool pepper. Jalapeno pepper.
The
Oh.
green at the top.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Hold on.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that crazy pepper. Alright, you want to put some of this in here? Alright.
Look at my cool
There we
green
go.
pepper.
Oh.
It's got some
Put a
yellow.
little like that. Alright. Make a little like this.
Look how good our pizza's looking.
Wow. This would be very cool.
Awesome.
If I could get this just right, it'll be pretty cool.
You could put it in the little box.
That's pretty cool. Yeah? Oh yeah, look at that bacon. It looks like
Oh,
raw
yeah.
bacon. Oh, wow.
Look at that bacon.
Oh yeah. Then you gotta mix it all up. Oh, this to get your ball going with all the colors. Yeah? Yes, sir. I need a little. Uh-huh. Green.
You could get some.
That's what I said. Malleable. 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 I need a little. I need to make up a little basil or something, whatever those leaves are. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Get your toddies, roll it. Oh, look at there, malleable. Put that on there. If you clean this up like so.
Was there another one of those things that came out?
What, my friend? Yes. Yes, there was. It's a knife.
No, I meant another one of these.
Oh no, just one. Just one. Mm. Whoa! Whoa, Chewy. Hold on. Oh, you broke that again? No, hold on, please. Can Dada try something? Hold on, I'll show you. Want me to fix it for you? Oh. There you go, sir.
Oh, it's on the bottom. Is it on the bottom? It is on the bottom.
No!
Hold on.
Yo, a pizza.
Hold on.
Tyler, a malleable, friable pizza.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Look.
Well,
There's
just
the mushroom.
take the pizza out. Mm.
Let's see if we can get the cheese off.
It's okay here. No.
Here, where's the
What? What, my friend?
pizza?
Oh, I got this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yes, sir.
Get it from the bottom. There we go. You can put the pizza in the box. Good job, Tyler. Good job. Here we go. Put it on there.
There's a leaf.
What is this? This looks like a pepperoni. That would make a good pepperoni, Tyler.
Very well.
Put the cheese on it. Put some cheese. Put our onion. And our shrimps.
Really?
Some
May I
bacon.
get it out? May I get it out? Oh.
Oh, look at that pepperoni.
Wow, look at this. Watch
Look at
this.
that pizza. Are you ready to slice it? Oh, you're going to shut it?
Good job.
There we go.
It's for takeout only.
Shut
Here's
it.
some broccoli.
Broccoli.
Uh-oh. What else
We
do
could
we
put
have?
some broccoli on the side with cheese.
I need some. There's
That's
some green.
healthy.
This can go with the mixture one. This one.
It looks like there's olives.
I'm gonna make some. We're gonna make some cool stuff.
Mushrooms.
All right. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, I'm probably gonna need the white. We're gonna make a little bitty bit. Just a little bit of the white to make a little bitty bit. Oh, it's gonna be good. Hold on. Here, you can have this one, sir.
There you go. Let's make a whole bunch of bacon. Let's just make a, whoa. Let's just make a plate full of bacon.
Who doesn't want a plate full of bacon?
And then you can cut around
Oh,
the
look
edges.
at the cheese.
Cut
Oh my.
it. There we go.
Cheese is coming out amazing. Did you show the cheese?
Oh, the cheese.
Oh yeah.
Look at that cheese.
Coming out amazing. How about another piece? Oh.
I think I could
Alright.
have made let's compete. Let's see who makes the better cheese.
I make the bestest cheese of them all. Oh, look at that. What's that? Oh. I don't know what that is.
Cheese competition here.
Hold on, Cheesy. There you go. That's some bread. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at those cheesies. Oh, she's making yellow cheese, Mally.
Here's my cheese. Let's put them both in my hand and show you. Ah!
Oh, she threw mine down.
I dropped
You
mine.
threw mine on purpose. So,
Comment below and tell me whose cheese you think's better. Which cheese you like more. Oh,
The
cheese.
yes, sir.
More Play-Doh. There you go.
Wowzer. Oh, what is that? Is that an onion?
Whoa.
What is that?
It looks like another onion.
Different style onion. We got broccoli.
Different
yes.
style.
Oh.
Do we want to take our pizza out and cut it up?
Oh. Okay, look.
Woo! We can take our pizza out
Yes, sir.
and we can cut it up.
Uh-oh. Ah, got the pizza cutter that really works. Get a piece.
And then we can slice the piece out.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Uh-oh.
Yummy piece for Daddy.
Daddy piece.
Yummy piece with bacon and pepperoni for Mommy.
Oh, yummy. Chi-Chi, what kind you want?
There you go.
The white kind over there, okay.
Oh, I need some more cheese for mine.
I would like a little mushrooms on mine. Oh. Look at the mushroom. Oh, it fell. Oh, no, no. Mushroom. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Let's see.
Sweet.
Make sure to subscribe.